So here I show you what is the voltage now. With this set of the batteries, it's exactly 9 volts. And with these batteries, the tester works great. So if you just turn back, you need to, of course, connect the cables. And just to show you how this works, there are 2 short cables with this tester that are not supposed to get connected with the ear pulls, but rather just to check. You can check the resistance with this tester. And here I can show how accurate this tester is. So let me see if I can have some. So here I have a resistance. There's approximately 100 ohm. So I just connect with these 2 cables. So you turn it on, then so it's 200 ohm range. You press the button and you get the reading, 97 ohms. Very important is that the OK button and the power button light up. So the manual says this, maybe not as clear as needed, but you will find it there. And this is necessary to make accurate measurements. So as you've seen, it was 97 ohms. And we can now measure this resistance with a multimeter to check what's the resistance with the multimeter. So I hope you can see the reading. So I'm connecting that. And you can see it's 97.7. So it's fairly accurate. And and then I can show you what happens if you do mistakes in terms of improper voltage supply in this tester. Okay, now I put 6 new batteries. You see the voltage is 9.7 volts. And this is what you get when you try to use the tester with this setting. So you see the display lights up. So there's seemingly normal operation. But now I'm trying to connect this resistor again and see if we get the reading. So you see this doesn't work. So press the button, nothing happens. Now there's another mistake that you can have, is when the voltage of the battery is already low. So here's the reading. So if you have 6.3 volts, and try to measure the resistance. So you get a green OK light, but you see that the resistance is lower. So you have 62, 63. If you go to 2000 ohm range, yeah, you get 120, so it's not very precise. And the most important is that the power button doesn't light up. It also said in the instruction in the manual that you need to replace the batteries. So overall, I think it's a useful tester. The only thing you need to make sure is that the voltage that you apply with the batteries is correct. So it needs to be very close to 9 volts. So not too low, not too high. And then you get the accurate readings. So thank you for watching.